In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check private key on Coinbase Wallet. A private key is the secret that proves you own a crypto wallet, so treat it like the keys to your home. Never share it and only view it in a secure environment. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside the Coinbase Wallet app and explain what each screen means so you feel confident and safe as you go. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. This is the self-custody wallet app, which is different from the main Coinbase Exchange app. If you're not sure, the wallet app is the one that lets you hold your own keys. Before you do anything, make sure you're on a private, trusted network and that no one can see your screen. Next, log in with your account. Depending on your settings, the app may ask for your passcode or biometric sign-in. Enter only what you've set up. Never store these details in screenshots or notes. If you recently reinstalled the app, it may require your recovery phrase first. That's normal for self-custody wallets, but today, we're focusing on viewing the private key once you're already in. Once you're inside, choose the wallet you want to inspect. Many people keep multiple networks or accounts within Coinbase Wallet, so double-check you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage separate wallets for different assets. After you've selected the wallet, look for the option to show the private key. Depending on your app version, this is typically found within the wallet settings or security section and clearly labeled as Show Private Key. When you tap to show it, the app will prompt you for two-factor authentication, such as Face ID or your device passcode. This step protects you from accidental exposure and ensures only you can unlock that information. Complete the authentication as requested. You may also see a warning about handling your private key safely. Read that message and proceed only if you truly need to view it. Then tap Allow to confirm you understand the risk and want to reveal it. The app may display a time-limited view or require another confirmation. That's normal and is there to keep you safe. You'll now see your private key. It will appear as a long string of characters. If you need to copy it, do so carefully and avoid storing it in screenshots or cloud notes. Consider writing it down and keeping it offline in a secure place. When you're done, close the view and lock your device. That's it. You've successfully checked your private key in Coinbase Wallet while keeping security front and center.